One Sambayanan coalition, the opposition force led by retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, has named her as among their possible candidates in the 2022 presidential elections. Senator Nancy Binay, however, is not interested in running for higher office. Binay already considers being re-elected as a blessing. She also wants to protect her family. But like other Filipinos, Binay said she also wishes to see a better Philippines.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.